748, wind 200 at 16, gust 24, need 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 7, 40.
Southwest 4532, Las Vegas Tower, report the 757 headed sight, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Delta 75 and 26 right,
So it's 2311 Las Vegas Tower, traffic 4 ahead Airbus, wind 190 at 15, gust 24, need 26 left for land.
So that's just